National Education Policy 2020. In the first video, we have discussed about aim, objectives, principle, and vision of the education policy. This is part 2, and we are going to talk about structure of the policy. So, what the policy is all about, and what is the structure of the policy. So, this policy is divided into four part, and there are total 27 chapters in the policy document. Part 1 of the policy talks about school education. Part 2 of the policy talks about higher education. Part 3 of the policy talks about other key areas of focus, and part 4 talks of execution of the policy, how it happens, making it happen. So there are the four part of the policy document that we have. If we talk about part 1, it focuses on school education. Part 1 has 8 chapters or subtopic, we can call it, which are primarily focuses on number 1, early childhood care and education, the foundation of learning. It talks of the education at the earlier age, early child care education. Second chapter of part 1 talks about foundational literacy and numeracy. Third talks about curtailing dropout rates and ensuring universal access to education at all levels. So focusing on how policy is capturing those dropouts. Fourth part talks about curriculum and pedagogy. Okay, and primarily focuses on holistic learning, integrated learning, making learning more enjoyable and engaging. Part 5th talks of teachers, talks about entire recruitment and promotions and motivations and training, professional development of teachers. 6th part talk about equitable and inclusive education. 7th talks of efficient resourcing and effective governance through school complex and clusters. 8th unit talk of standard setting and accreditation for school education. So part 1. Part 2 is higher education with 11 subtopics or chapters. Subtopic 1 talks of quality university and colleges. Second chapter talks of institutional restructuring and consolidation. Third talks of towards more holistic and multidisciplinary education. Fourth talks of optimal learning environment and support for students. Motivated, energized and capable faculties is covered in 5th chapter. Equity and inclusive higher education is 6th chapter in part 2. Teacher education is also captured in part 7. Part 8 talks of reimaging vocational education, so talk about vocational education. 9th part talks of catalyzing quality academic research. So research part, and it also talks of new National Research Foundation. 10th chapter in second part talks of transforming and regulatory system for education, so talks of how education system is going to be regulated. 11th chapter in part 2 talks of effective governance and leadership for higher educational institute. Part 3 of the report focuses on other key areas of focuses, which has 5 chapters. 1 talks about professional education. 2nd talks about adult education and lifelong learning. 3rd talks about promotion of Indian language, art and culture. 4th talks about technology use and integration. And 5th talks about online and digital education, ensuring equitable use of technology. So this is part 3 of the report. Part 4 of the report, making it happens, talks about strengthening of Central Advisory Board of Education, financing affordable and quality education for all, and the implementation part. So these 4 parts are there with individual chapters into it, and that captures entire report. Thank you.